Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on the topic Uniform Civil Code. What is a Uniform Civil Code? Uniform Civil Code means that all people, is irrespective of the religion or the religion they belong to, will be under one set of the civil laws. The UCC is most talked about in context of personal laws governing marriage, divorce, succession, etc. as different religions have different personal law at the moment. The UCC finds mention in Article 44 of the Part 4 of Constitution of India. The part contains directive principles of state policy. These provisions are not enforceable but are meant to serve as the guideline principle of legislatures. The state shall endeavour to secure all the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India, says Article 44. While DPSPs are not enforceable, several provisions listed under DPSPs have been made into laws in the years since the Constitution came into being. Since 1950, the successive governments at the center and in the states have made several laws and formulated various programs for implementing the directive principles of state policy and list some examples like the establishment of planning commission, laws for minimum wages and equal treatment for workers, maternity benefit laws, legal aid provisions, etc. What is the idea behind the Uniform Civil Code? Currently, different laws apply to different religion communities in personal affairs. One key idea behind the UCC is to bring all the communities at par with each other, as provisions in some personal laws are perceived to be unequal. For example, until the Supreme Court ruled triple talaq to be unconstitutional in 2017, Muslim men could divorce their wives orally by saying talaq thrice. The maintenance rights of divorced wives were also limited. This was unlike Hindu personal laws, where divorce cannot be given orally and women have broader alimony rights. Therefore, there is a gender equality and gender justice dimensions to the call of the Uniform Civil Code. However, the critics say that the UCC would be undue interference in the affairs of religious minorities such as Muslims. UCC finds support against liberals and women's groups as it aspires to promote gender equality. The opponents are vociferous about the code interfering with religious practices and compromising minorities' freedom. The Supreme Court too has expressed that the need of uniform civil code, most notably in the landmark 1985 Shah judgment. In this judgment, the Supreme Court ruled that a Muslim woman is also eligible for maintenance after being divorced. Under the Muslim law, till then, the divorced woman was only eligible for maintenance for the period of iddat, which is generally 3 months. The Supreme Court ruled that Section 123 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, under which a man is obliged to provide for his wife after divorce if she can't support herself, also applies to Muslim women. A common civil code will help the cause of nation integration by removing desperate loyalties to law which have containing ideologies, said the Supreme Court of India in the verdict. Though the verdict was later overturned by the Union government, it's often cited in buildings a case of uniform civil code.